Hi, I'm Miya, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Yumi, start the clock.
Thanks, Miya. Monday began another exciting week with Miss Nichols' assemblies for various notices, including the one message many of us have been waiting a long time to hear. CCAs are starting this week. And the virtue of this week, gentleness. Tuesday, students ended their time in class but continued their day excited for CCAs once again, making their way to the pavilion to meet teachers and peers. Wednesday, after school, teachers could again be found leading the way to the fields, courts, and classrooms, where plenty of joyfulness was to be seen as our first week of CCAs continued. Thursday, grade 4 could be found enthusiastically mixing up a storm as bread was being made as part of their Bake It unit entry point. Friday, the week ended with our big 2022 House Captain election event, where voting for the 2022 House Captains took place right across the school before everyone again said their goodbyes, heading off to enjoy the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.